Hello, my name is Dr. Tanuja Deshpande. I am an orthodontist by profession. My son Maitreya Nirmal is almost 2 years, 2 months old now. We have been using Hungry Brain since he was 1 month old, and I can see a change in him as compared to his peers. His level of understanding, his language skills, his motor skills, they are maybe at par or more than that as compared to his peers right now. His level of understanding is such that he can make out a difference if we are going out and he wants to run on the roads. Where there are vehicles, I can tell him that no, here you are not supposed to leave my hand and go. And wherever it is permissible, I can tell him that here it is safe, you can play around, you can go around everywhere that you want to. So he can make out the difference where he is permitted, where he is not permitted. As long as his language skills are considered, he can sing many songs, he can narrate stories, he can narrate everything that goes around him wherever he's gone, he's met someone or some other situations which are going around him. Whenever he goes to schools, he comes back, he enacts everyone and he can show what everyone was doing. Maybe it is not related to whatever the curriculum activities are going on. If drawing is going on, painting is going on, he'll never tell me that. But he'll enact and show that आज मासी ने ये किया, आज दीदी ने ये किया, आज इसका birthday था, आज something different was going on in school. Also, because he has done many things at home, maybe he's not interested in repeating things. The first parent-teacher meeting was very disappointing for the teacher because in a group he doesn't follow many instructions. Maybe they are covered already and he's not interested. So whichever things are new, he does do that. He does painting, he does drawing, but most of the things he's not interested. When they sit 1:1 with him, he does do it and they realize that he knows stuff. It is not that he doesn't know stuff, but just that he's bored of repeating things. As far as the boxes are concerned, the regular parcels which he received from Mindwell, he does keep on waiting for that first week when he receives the parcel. Whenever the parcel is late, he will ask me, आई बॉक्स नाही आला, पोस्टमन काका बॉक्स नाही घेऊन आले, माझी खेळणी कुठे गेली, ती आली नाहीत वेळेवरती. So he is very much oriented with time. He is very much oriented with the time duration which it takes. Every month, maybe the first week the box is going to come. If it is the next week or the second week, he'll keep on asking that where is my box? It has not come. Other things is motor development, the games which they are providing, especially those puzzles, the matching stuff which they give. It is really nice. It is in different color combinations, different combinations of shapes. As an adult also it is difficult for us to put, but they are very nice for them. He just enjoys them. Things are very much easy if we carry them anywhere. The shape sorters or the shape matching stuff or the books which are provided, the cards especially. Whenever you tell him that it's time for us to see the cards, he'll sit quietly. He's very much excited about the cards, the quality of cards, the picture clarity. Everything is nice. The description given for them, he will remember. If it's an eclipse, if it's a volcano, it's a glacier, what is it exactly? He will ask, what is a glacier? So if you explain it to him and you are showing him the flashcards at a high speed, he will make you stop that it's a volcano. So what is a volcano? Volcano is such and such thing. What is a glacier? He will tell you the description. So his understanding at this age is really nice. And that thought process or that level of understanding builds up as in when you proceed with the programs. This might not be appreciated very much at an early age because we cannot understand how much the child is understood. But as in when they grow, as in when they start communicating with you, you really understand that they have understood a lot more. And we as parents lack to understand how much they have grasped. So it is the other way around. They don't need help. We need help to understand our children. The way in which they look at the world, the way in which they understand things. Their sequencing is very much at a higher level than what we expect things to be. So we expect that they'll follow our instructions. We expect that, they will do things according to us. But no, they are individuals. They have been developed in that way. and they will have their own sequence of doing things, own sequence of understanding things, and at the end you will realize that whatever he was doing, he had a thought process behind that. But maybe at that point in time you are not able to understand that thought process, and that is where you need some guidance. They don't need that, and that has been developed because of Hungry Brains, because of the programs, because of the the way in which they have been structured, the way in which the sequence goes on, the difficulty levels, all the puzzles, how you can increase the difficulty levels of the puzzles. If you have been given that shape sorter, the puzzle in which there are different colors and different shapes, so maybe we will have just one way in which the puzzle can be played. But the way in which they explain to you in videos that there are n number of ways in which the same puzzle can be played with an increasing level of difficulty. That is really nice. The things which have been provided, people do ask me that where did you get this stuff from, where did you get these puzzles from, or these games from, or these cards from. So I'm really thankful to Mindwealth for their support, for their way of designing things, and helping me to bring up my child in the way which he is right now. I'm really thankful for Himali Gada and her team for doing such a wonderful job.
Thank you. One thing I would ask here is, when you shared that his thinking is different.
Yes.
So is this a boon or a curse to you?
It is a boon if you understand that. If you are not in a position or not in a mind of frame to understand that, you will never be able to appreciate it. It is definitely a boon, because I can see the difference between him and between his peers, the level of understanding, the way in which their interests are very primary. His interests are different.
So can you give an example of that?
He is right now interested in construction sites, machines. He is not interested in watching TV, or he is interested in creative things or things that are different. His peers maybe they will not observe that this is a different machine. Is machine se kya hota hai? This is a drilling machine. This is a parking lot. This is a parking lift. It will now with the lift the vehicle is going to go downstairs. It's going to go in a parking lot. You need a card for that. All these things he will understand and he will narrate whenever he sees that thing. He will correlate कि नाना जी के घर पे ऊपर गाड़ी मासी की थी, नीचे गाड़ी नाना जी की थी. He will see a parking lot. He will tell you. He can remember things. He can remember faces. He can remember people. Just once or twice, if he meets a person, he can remember, and he will correlate things and he will tell you that हम लोग गाँव गए थे, यहाँ पे नानी को मिले, फिर नानी ने ये खाने को दिया था, नानी ने वो पहना था. तो the memory is very nice. It is very sharp. You tell him once, twice, and it is done. He has to remember that. So that, I guess, is the way things have been developed in this program. Even if you do 60% of whatever is designed, not 100%, maybe it is possible, maybe it is not possible. At least for me, I could do only 50 to 60% of what was designed. But then also I got this result. So definitely it works out. How much ever you do, something is better than nothing. So at least you do something for the child, it pays you. It pays you in a greater scale.
Now, taking the things on another level, when you say the understanding has increased,
yes.
So he can understand many things.
Yes.
So how does that make a difference in your life or with your and his relation?
It makes things easier because he can understand, he can communicate what he wants. So his level of frustration, you specifically name it as terrible twos this age, because children don't understand what they want or they cannot communicate what they want. So there is a level of frustration. If he wants a pencil and you think that he wants something else and you are giving it to him, but he's not happy because you are not giving him what he wants and he's not able to tell you specifically what he wants. If that is clear, then things go really well, that you know what he's expecting, he knows what you are expecting. So things go on smoothly, at least day-to-day life.
So can you put it that the bonding has altered?
Bonding is increased. Because if you know that a person knows what you want, then you are attached to that person. That person understands you. So you are attached to that person. A person who cannot understand what you want, a person who cannot understand your feelings, you don't get attached to that person. So it has helped me to, deepen that bond. That is true.
And seeing it in this way, if he is understanding things, his questions are there, his maturity level is there. How would you put it? Is his childhood being enjoyed as a childhood, or its childhood has been gone away?
Childhood or enjoy kar raha hai. Because he can understand things. So he has new questions. He has new things to explore. His arena is widened. That is what I feel. So definitely he is enjoying the childhood to his fullest. He can remember things. He can correlate things. So things things are more meaningful to him. हो जा. त्यांच्याकडे बघ. त्याने थँक्यू तरी म्हण. ओ तुला कार्ड्स आवडतात? दर महिन्याला कार्ड्स येतात? कोण घेऊन येतं? बॉक्स कोण घेऊन येतं? पोस्टमॅन काका घेऊन येतात ना?
पोस्टमॅन काका.
हां, कोण पाठवतो तुझ्यासाठी कार्ड्स?
पोस्टमॅन काका.
हो, पण पाठवतं कोण? पोस्टमॅन काका तर घेऊन येतात. हिमाली मावशी पाठवते.
हां.
कोण पाठवतात?
हमारी मावशी.
हो, तुला आवडतात कार्ड्स बघायचे आपण? घरी जाऊन बघूयात.
So in such an easy way he understands things. We got a good demonstration of it.
Yeah. If you snatch things away, he will get irritated and temper tantrums away. But if you Shanti say explain it to him, he will understand. If he's not supposed to do something, you explain why he's not supposed to do that. He will understand and he will not do that.
That's very important, that he'll not do that.
He will not do that. Once he understands things, he will not do that.
So I would say that your parenting has become simple.
Yes, that is what I'm telling you. Life does become simple. It does become easier.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Welcome.